I will introduce myself. My name is Saniyonita Rizawati, as a moderator and the third presenter. And my friend.
My name is Hoda Sura as the second presenter.
And my name is Putri Seliana Fianti,
please.
as the first presenter. Continue to the speaker session to the explain materials. Please.
Okay, I will explain. Before I will explain about the definition of natural approach. Natural approach is called to traditional approach, and the definition of the traditional approach is based on the use of language in communicative situation without the coordinative language, refers to grammatical analysis, grammatical drilling, and theory grammar. And natural approach is a method of used by the teacher to teach the language of the student in communication without any grammar rule or the theory. And in the natural approach, there is an emphasis on exposure and input rather than practice. And the language is used for communicating meaning and expressing message. Acquisition can take place only when people understand message in the target language. Language used to communicate. There are two ways to get a language. The first is acquisition. Acquisition is conscious way to get the language. Is unconscious way to get the language, and the learning is conscious way to get the language. In natural approach, emphasis on language in language acquisition. So the student can use language to communicate and understand the language spoken even without grammar or theory. And three kind of effective or attitudinal variable relate to second language acquisition. Number one is motivation. Motivation and achievement, instrumental and integrative motivation, enhancing motivation by tailoring instruction to learner needs, precondition for effective motivation. Motivation with the learner's need, want and lack. Student can have motivation to learn language. And number two is attitude. Attitude is relationship between attitude and motivation, cultural attitude and language development, dealing with negative attitude from the learner's perspective. Number two is attitude. How the student deal with attitude. How the student deal with attitude in the learning process. If positive, it can motivate student to study harder. If the negative, it can be obstacle for language learning process. Number three is anxiety. Okay, the next is anxiety. Anxiety and learner performance, cause of anxiety and the mother tongue. Anxiety can affect the learning process. Number three is anxiety. Anxiety and learner performance, cause of anxiety and the mother tongue. Number 3 is anxiety can affect the learning process. Like if the student feel over anxiety, it can be bad for the confidence of the student in learning and using the language. I think enough from me.
Okay, continue for the second presenter. I will explain about the objective of natural approach. Okay, continue to the second presenter. I will explain about the objective of natural approach. Here, natural approach is for beginners and is designed to help them become intermediate. Okay, continue. I will explain about the objective of natural approach. The main objective of natural approach is include developing and communicative skill, promoting language acquisition through exposure and meaningful interaction, and creating a positive stress-free learning environment. And here, there are two goals of the natural approach. The first is basic personal communication skills. For the first goal is there are four include reading, writing, listening, and speaking. And for the second is academic learning skill. In the second goals is include reading comprehension, like the ability to understand and interpret written information, and not taking. The skill of summarize the writing and organizing. And the second is types of learning and teaching activities. At the beginning of class talk, according to the natural approach, emphasis is on presenting comprehensible input in the target language. Teacher talk focus on objects in the classroom, so that the teacher not the learners is not focused. Sorry. Required to say anything until they feel ready and understand. If they ready for saying what they understand, so then the teacher order the student for say what to say. And here there are three steps of natural approach. For the first is the pre-production stage, is the development of listening comprehension skills. The second is the early production stage, is usually marked with error as the students struggle with the language. And the third is the last stage, is one of extending production into longer stretches of discourse involving more complex game, complex open-minded dialogue, and extend, give, and make a small group.
Continue to the types of learning and teaching activities. Learners are expected to participate in communication activities with other learners. Here has three central rules. The natural approach approach. The first, the teacher, the primary source of comprehensible input in the target language. For example, I am teacher. I have students that they forget about one word that imagine, and I should help to find what word that they will say. And then number two, teacher create a classroom atmosphere that is engaging, friendly, and where there is a low activity filter for learning. For example, I have two classrooms. In the first classroom, students enter and sit in isolated rows, and then teacher read from script lesson before giving worksheet for students to complete independently. And then talking is discouraged, and students are immediately reprimanded for deviating from planned lesson. And then it is clear to students that their rules to obey the teacher rules in class. And then in second class, students have a voice in teaching. They are part of their learning journey. This create motivation to learn. And then they gather in groups to share ideas, and they are encouraged to take risks which help with their self-confidence in them. And then talking in class is balanced with some teacher talk and some student talk. Students feel comfortable expressing their ideas and opinions. When you imagine these two classrooms, in which classroom do you feel students that's why what the second center rules means. And the third, the teacher must choose classroom arbitrate a rich mix of classroom activities involving a variety of group size, context, and content. For example, teachers are seen as responsible for collecting materials and planning their use. And then the material is not only based on the teacher perception, but also on the needs and interests of the student at least. Next, the role of instructional materials. Of materials in the natural approach is make classroom activities as meaningful as possible by supplying the extra linguistic context that helps the acquired to understand, and then acquired by relating classroom activities and fostering real communication among two learners. Some of the basic principles of second language acquisition are relevant to the development of material for the teaching language. I've only read 3 because many. The first, material should achieve impact. Impact is achieved when material have a noticeable effect on learners. And then number 2, material should help learners to develop confidence. In the natural approach, there is an emphasis on exposure, optimizing emotional, intellectual for learning. The emphasis on the central of natural approach as follows is the 4. One, the focus of activity is content, not language learning. Number two, resource the learner's native language is seen as natural and desirable. Number three, learners are not expect to give error 5, native respond to teacher question. And then the last, the goal is the gradual adoption of the communicative language. Thank you. Okay, I will conclude from the materials. The goals of a teacher approach applies are based on assessment of students' needs. And then we determine the situation in which they will use the target language and the sort of topics they will have to communicate information about. And then exactly communication goals, we do not expect the students at the end of a particular course and to have acquired a certain group of forms. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya.
That's all for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.